Hello friends, in this particular episode, we will see what is the judiciary in Malta. Constitutional Court. There are 3 judges. The retirement age of judge would be 65 years. The judges are appointed by President on the advice of the Prime Minister. This court hears appeals from the decision of civil court. This court also has jurisdiction for the interpretation of the constitution. This court also looks into the question of validity of laws enacted. Then there is a committee called Judicial Appointments Committee. This committee has 5 members. Now, who are these members? The Chief Justice, the Attorney General, the Auditor General, the Commissioner for the Administrative Investigation, the President of the Chamber of Advocates. So, these are the 5 members. This committee is involved in the process of appointment of judges and advises the Prime Minister in appointment of judges. Then there is one commission for the administration of justice. Now this commission has 10 members. How they are? One member is Chief Justice, another member is Attorney General. 2 are elected by judges of Superior Court amongst themselves. 2 are elected by magistrates of the inferior courts among themselves. 1 appointed by Prime Minister, 1 appointed by leader of opposition, and President of the Chamber of Advocates is also a member. This commission gives advice to Law Minister on matters relating to organization of the administration of justice. This commission is involved in framing of code of ethics for regulating the conduct of members of the judiciary. This commission also supervises the entire functioning of the judiciary. This commission also has powers to direct advocates and legal practitioners to behave in professional manner. Then we have other courts: civil court, criminal court, court of appeal, court of criminal appeal, court of magistrates. The criminal court is presided by the judge who sits with the jury of 9 members. So friend, these were the court system in Malta. In our next episode, we will see what are the other features which are there in the Constitution of Malta. Thank you.